You're my sweet boy. But what I'm filming this morning is, I'm not sure. I think these are swallows. Let's see if I can get a... Oops. Look, okay. So what's really strange is all these birds are coming and going like I have never seen in this cedar tree. And then about 20 to 30 of them will just take off. I think I have seen swallows grouping together like this before, but I'm not sure what that means. I mean, there's no telling how many are up in there. I'm gonna try to walk without scaring them off, but they are coming and going on their own. Like, I'm not really scaring them off. It stormed pretty bad here earlier, but like, I don't know what they're doing in this particular tree, because there's a cedar, and then there's two cedars right down there. G-dog. Hey, sweet boy. And then here's a big, huge cedar. And they're not all up in it. Now, I lost a limb. Uh-oh. See all my junk in the background, sorry. Not my junk. Somebody else's junk. Anyway, so, yeah. I just want to know what's up with these birds. You see them all? Let me see. See if I can zoom in, because it's going to probably ruin the... Do you see them all playing on the end of the bushes, on the end of the vines right there? The branches? Like, and then they will take off like a ton of them at one time, and they'll go into formation, and then they'll come back. Look, they're just like, it's weird. Okay. If anybody knows what kind of birds these are or why they do this, please let me know. I'm about to go get my camera and try to get some still shots of them. Also, I forgot I haven't drawn for frogs yet, so I will do that here shortly too. But now I have this G-dog over here. These birds are all different colors. Like, some of them are lighter colored with red, pink looking heads. Some of them are kind of grayish. And then I have also pictures of a beautiful red-headed woodpecker that came around yesterday. Okay, gotta go take care of the beast. I've been gone for a couple hours, so he needs some loving. Alrighty, y'all let me know what you think about that. If you've ever seen I'm thinking they're swallows, but I thought swallows were little. Anyway, and I hear it thundering. I think it's fixing to storm again. Okay, love y'all. See ya.